1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just 6 online. It is well. And someone give us a recap of what we have done. Can someone give us a recap? I guess nobody's answering.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
There's a possibility that those that are present on the call are new to this training, to the workshop and all. I can't find our regular attendees on the call right now.
Yeah. So tonight, we won't take much of our time. So I would love us to take circuiting, but when people are not online, I will shift it to solar. But that circuiting is the main, it's another part of the zone. So let me shift it to solar. Solar system. We all know what solar system entails. And does anyone have an idea of what solar system entails? A solar system. Anyone? Solar or inverter system. And what do you even understand by solar?
Okay, I think can I try, sir?
Yes, I'm
So I think when we are talking about the solar system, we are basically referring to an alternative energy source apart from your direct current electricity from the power grid and the generator. So it converts the solar energy to electrical energy for use, which is stored in batteries to supply inverters and others to provide electricity apart from the ordinary electricity sources, which are from the NEPA or from the generating sets.
Yeah, thank you. I have someone on this call. She can never escape it. Eileen. You are part of solar system in Futa. Can you just give us your own idea? You can't escape tonight. Oh yeah. You give us your own idea and what do you think it entails? I'm listening. I can't hear you. Okay. I guess she's not online or she's not available. So tonight we'll be talking about solar system and inverter. Let me show something before we. How is this thing not showing? So now, tonight we'll be talking about solar system and what does solar panels entails, as in solar. Now you have please let's dot. We have our solar panel. Our solar panel is divided into two. We have the monocrystalline and the polycrystalline. The mono is expensive than the poly. And when we are talking about longevity, mono lasts longer than the polycrystalline. Majorly, we use monocrystalline in our building. Now, so from there, We now talk about your charge controller. Charge controller, is part of your what items to be considered when you are taking off, when you are dealing with your what your solar. From there, you now be talking about your battery itself. If you are talking about your battery, you be talking about your battery is part of your what items you need to take care of. Which type of battery? It's not all this our battery we all know. We are talking about lithium battery. So now from there we be talking about your, okay, we've talked about your inverter. So from there I won't have much to explain here because I already have a note already, because of our time. We will have said we should do some fixes, but we won't go in depth into that. But I've been able to create a 10 pages note whereby you people can go into. But let's look at the drawing I provided here. Can you see my drawing? Can you all see my drawing here?
Yes, sir.
Now, please, what can you see in that drawing? What can you see in that drawing?
Inverter, lithium battery.
What else again? Inverter, lithium battery. What else are you seeing? Mr. Jami, I've sent you the note for today, both the drawing and the note, write-up note. So we won't waste much of our time. We're just diving into this thing itself. Can you see my drawing? Now, you can see this first. You can see this first annotation. This is your what? This is your what? This is your panel itself. This is your panel, and this is your panel. It converts your alternating current and supply your electricity into the system in this case now. So this is your solar panel now. Your solar panel can comes in different rating. They might tell you 550 watts per solar panel. They can tell you 620 watts per solar panel in this case now. So now, if you are talking about this one is in watts, how do you convert your watts to what? To your kVA. How do you convert your watts to your kVA now? Any idea? Any idea here?
No, sir.
Now, let's not forget that 1000 watts equates to what? 1 kilovolt, 1 kVA. Now, we have this solar panel now. What's the rating of this solar panel? This solar panel, what's the rating of this solar panel now? I'm not talking about this.
14 kilowatts.
Eh?
50 kVA.
What do you say?
14 kVA.
40?
50 kVA power.
I didn't understand.
50 kVA for each.
50K. How do you know that is the 50K kVA for each? I want to ask you. How do you know that it's 50 kVA? Where do you see 50
it is clearly described in the drawing.
Oh yeah, tell me. You see 50 kVA inverter. Is that one talking about the panel? Is that I'm talking about the monocrystalline panel? Hello. Hello, are we there? Are we responding?
Yes, sir.
Does this 50 kVA 2 inverter equate to your solar panel? Nobody is responding.
Hello, hello, sir. Hello,
I
sir.
can hear you. I can hear you.
Is the total rating of the solar panel the combined rating?
I can't hear you again. No. How do you know the rating of your solar panel?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
I said, is the rating of the solar panel the combined total rating of inverter 1 and inverter 2, which is 100 kVA?
Okay. Any other opposition? Any opposition?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. So, do we agree that it is so 500 kVA solar inverter?
No.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Oh yeah, I'm hearing
Okay.
you. Your own
Okay.
opinion.
From my experience, what I believe is that for also have a drawing of having PV, then the solar panel will have been bigger. The capacity of the solar panel will be bigger than it, maybe times two or in a kind of a times five. So if you're having 100, then the solar panel must be more than 100.
That's a mistake. A total mistake.
Okay.
Any other opinion? Any other opinion? Any other opinion? Any
No.
other opinion? No other opinion. Okay. Now, remember that this our solar panel, we were supposed to be given an actual KVA, not the inverter. What does even the inverter means to you? Anyone? What does inverter means to you?
Sir, inverter. Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
I said inverter is a battery storage source. It's a battery storage. It's used for storage of electricity.
It's used for storage and electricity. Why are you now mentioning that? Why are you now mentioning that our KV, our solar panel is 50 kVA? Why are you mentioning that? Eh?
Sorry, sir. I just felt since the capacity of the battery is that rated, maybe probably that's the input that the solar can actually give. I'm not sure about that.
Now, so did you now say that the capacity of of or your inverter panel does not equivalent to your to your inverter. Should I tell you why? Should I tell you why?
Yes, sir.
Now, it's like you have a storage system of 100 kVA, and I have a solar panel of 100 kVA. What do you think my inverter will be storing for me? Anybody? Hello.
Sorry, sir, I did not quite get that. Can you come again, sir?
You have an inverter of 100 kVA and your solar panels on 100 kVA. What do you think your storage capacity will be? Hello. Is anyone
Hello,
there?
sir. Yes, sir. I'm with you, sir.
You have an inverter of 100 kVA and your solar panel has 100 kVA. What do you think your storage capacity will be?
So, like, can I say it will be 70? Because from the calculation of the batteries, the 5 times the 14 kilowatts, that's 70.
Is that your own answer? It's like I just
Yes, sir.
felt like some people are just online here. Some people are just online. They just kept quiet. Okay, let those that we answer. This is a class, not a lecture room. I'm trying to explain something. Now, okay, now I want to ask a question. Why is it that in our battery, what was the highest capacity of your phone battery do we have?
We have
Hello.
5,000. We have 3,000.
mAh. What was the highest? What was the highest? Do we have 10,000? I'm talking about your phone capacity.
I don't think we have 10,000. We have about 6,000.
Now, why did people doing your what is power bank? Why did they do 20,000 mAh, 50,000 mAh, and the likes? Hello.
Probably that mAh cannot be walked into the phone.
No. I'm trying to go somewhere.
Extra storage.
God bless you. Now, your is it just like you have a 24 kVA solar charging your inverter. Now, it's just like you have 24 and 100. Now, you now have a storage capacity of 100 kVA and you have a charging capacity of what? 24 kVA. Now, the more you have 24 kVA, it will now be storing to your 100 kVA to a particular length. Am I passing a this thing across?
Yes, sir.
So, now you have a storage capacity of 100. But 24 want to serve you. But to have extra PC in your system, you must your inverter will be higher than your what? Than your than your solar panel. Are you there with me? Now, this your solar panel should be specified. How many kVA? Are you it up? This kVA is 24. Is what? Is 24. Are you there with me? 24.8 kVA. Now, solar panel are we requiring? We are using a solar panel 6 numbers of solar. Don't calculate it for us. This solar panel should be stated how many kVA. That's the first question you will ask. This solar panel is it 10 kVA? That your 10 kVA will now determine numbers of solar panel are you buying. Now, how many? We have 24.8 kVA. Now, how many buying using 620 volts? 620 watts. Can someone do the calculation for us? Remember, 1,000 to what? Equal to 1 kVA. Can someone do the calculation for us? How many solar panels are we needing in this case? Hello?
Hello, sir. Sorry, I didn't get your question.
I said
Same here.
the solar panel is 24.8 kVA. How many solar panels are we requiring? We are using 620 volts. No, still 620 per solar panel. So how many solar panels will be arranging in that area?
So you say
Remember,
620 watts.
620 watts per solar panel. So how many solar panels are we requiring?
Oh,
I'm waiting to know how many solar panels are we using?
40.
40. God bless you. How do you get it? That's
24.8 converted to what? That's multiplied by 1,000. Then divided by
divided by
620.
620. God bless you.
Yes.
So we have 40 solar panels to be used. Now, after our solar panel, what next? What next? What next now? Look
Your
at the
combiner,
drawing.
EV combiner.
No, we are talking about the major equipment now. We are not talking about the combiner now. We have 50 kVA inverter. How many are we having? 50 kVA inverter. 3-phase solar, 3 kVA inverter. How many are we having?
2 inverters.
2 inverters. What next? Look at our battery. How many battery are we having?
5.
5. What's the rating of the inverter? What's the rating of that inverter? Of the battery, Dare?
Okay, 14 kilowatts per hour.
14 kilowatts per
7
hour.
Kilowatts per hour.
Okay, 14 kilowatts per hour.
40 kilowatts.
So what's the next thing do we have on our this thing?
The cables.
The output.
What do we have?
I think the drawing has been cut off. But data output. And the cycles breaker, sir.
We have what?
The circuit breaker.
That's the 250 amps abi
Arms, yes,
MCCB.
sir, yes, sir.
So we have what? Two. We have the incoming and
And
we
the
have the
outgoing.
what?
Outgoing.
And we have the what?
Outgoing.
Outgoing. What other things do we have? We have our changeover. 250 amps for 4-pole changeover switch. One, abi.
Yes, sir.
Now we now
Yes,
have
sir.
a what? Load panel box, abi.
Yes, sir.
Load panel box. Now we now have our inverter supply output box, abi. Are we there?
Yes, sir, we are there.
God bless you. Now, so we now have our PV combined box, abi.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
God bless
Yes,
you.
sir.
Now, any other thing did you think we are taking care of? We've talked about our monocrystalline panel, abi. Yes or no? We have our solar inverter. We picked that
Yes, sir.
one, 2 numbers. We have our lithium battery, abi.
Yes, sir.
We have our what? Our
Circuit breaker. Our main supply
our
box.
250 amps 3-pole. How many do we have?
One.
We have 2
One, sir.
incoming and the outgoings. Look at it now.
Outgoing. Yes, sir.
We have 2. Now we have our changeover bar. 250 amps changeover. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
God bless you. Now we have our inverter supply output box. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold on. No. Do you see this inverter supply output box? There are some circuit breaker inside. Are you there with me? So we should
Yes,
also request for the circuit breaker inside so that we know what we are costing. So we put that one into notice. Now, look at this, our main supply box. There's also a breaker inside too. We have a breaker inside. Now, also, do you know that there's something called your metal roof mounting system? You know that your
Panels.
your panel cannot just be gum on your roof, yes or no? So there must be a particular mounting this thing that is like an aluminum, whereby you mount your how will I call it, your solar panel on them each. What is the dimension of your solar panel? Do you see that? Do you see that item? That metal roofing mounting, it can contain 8 numbers of solar panel. 8 numbers. So now, if it contains 8 numbers, it shows that we have 40 solar panel. 40 divided by 8, it gives you 5. Now that thing will be up and it will be down, making 10 numbers required. Are you there with me?
Sorry, please, can you come again? Please, sir.
I should come again. Ibo ni mind wa lọ.
Sorry, sir. Something quickly distracted me.
Okay, now I said said that there's a mountain, as in just like you want to lay your roofing sheet. Your roofing sheet cannot be laid in the air. Your roof will have been, your roof carcass will have been put in place. That your roof carcass, you have a timber on them. Yes or no? Now,
Yes.
it's on that timber you now lay your roof covering on top. Now, on that roof metal railings, it is on that roof metal railings you now place your inverter panel on it, and one is 4.7 meter, and that 4.7 meter can contain 8 numbers of solar panel.
Okay.
Now we have one at the top, we have one on the what at the bottom, making 10 numbers. Now, are you there with me?
Yes.
Now there's something called BMU. BMU means battery management system. Now, what does BMU means? BMU is a key component to your solar hybrid inverter and your lithium battery. What it majorly does is it manages and protects your battery. Are you there with me?
Yes.
Now you will have one BMU per solar panel inverter. So you get me? There's a way it will be connected. I'm not a solar panel inverter, but I know the processes. Are you there with me?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
there's something we call MC4 connector. What does an MC4 connector does? Anyone? What does an MC4 connector use for? Any idea? Hello? Okay, don't let me waste my energy tonight. That's your MC4 connector now. Every solar panel has a cable, and you want to connect solar panel A with solar panel B, solar panel B with solar panel C. You can't be lumping your cable together. Are you there with me? There must be a connector that will connect your red cable together and your neutral cable together without, how will I call it? You know how they usually do it now. You just take 2 cables, lump them together. You now use your insulation tape, wrap it together. It's not done. There must be a connector between them. Now, when you have solar panel, you have 40 solar panel. It shows that you will have what? 40 connector. Are you there? These are just small accessories in this case now. So there's something we called, okay, now look at all these boxes now. All these boxes, it has its own enclosure. Look at these boxes. It is inside that box they've now arranged our breaker inside. We have this box, we have this box, we have this box, and we have this box. There are sometimes whereby you might buy that box. It's just like you are buying a DB. It now be specified in that box that, okay, I need 250 amps MCC breaker, incoming and outgoing, and we have some other sub-circuit breaker inside. That one will now be molded to sites. But there are sometimes whereby you will now buy your sub breaker separately. and you buy your breaker and you buy your enclosure separately. How many enclosure do we have here? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So I make them 1, 1, 2. Are you there with me now? And we even have 5 because this PV combiner box is also having its own enclosure. So making 5 enclosure I calculated here. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many of those do you?
Sometimes you might, okay, I don't need this one, but I just decided to break everything down for you. So sometimes you might have your to take care for your eating system, but there's a way down will be taken care for. There's something we call your voltage phase indicator. You also provide that. Okay, we have your cable tie just all other accessories. Okay, you have your boat and not that one is all other accessories. AC copper bus bar, that one okay, we have all this one are just normal accessories. Now you calculate for your cable. Now you calculate for your cable. Which type of cable are you using in this case now? Is it a flexible cable or a copper cable? Any answer? Is it a flexible cable or a copper cable? Anyone? She said copper cable. Can you tell us why we are using copper cable? Oh yeah, Eileen, can you tell us why we are using a copper cable? Can you tell us the reason why we are using a copper cable, please? Not a flexible cable. My friend is online. Ayomide is online. Can you tell us why we are using it? Is stronger, sir. Can you speak up? Don't be answering me in the background. Why are we not using a flexible cable? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh.
I would think say maybe for insulation, sir, maybe like because flexible cable is maybe more prone to like maybe loss of electricity or so as it's going. So copper is more of a good conductor than flexible cable.
Okay, thank you. So now from this your, you know that from this your, how will I call it? From this your solar panel, after everything has been joined together, there's a cable that will take it down to your what? To your PV combiner box. From your PV combiner box, a cable will now take it to your battery. From your battery, from your inverter to your battery, you can see how the grid line goes. You can see how the grid line goes. From this our changeover, that is where your normal load panel will now comes in. Just like you want to tap from this your inverter, immediately there is no light. You just change from inverter, you just change to inverter. Now this your load panel box, sometimes it might be what? It might be your DB. Sometimes we have an inverter DB system separately, and we have our power PV system separately. Let me then show us a picture of what it entails. Hold on, please. I will send the picture to the group now. And Okay, I guess. Let me show us the picture. I'll just send it to the group so that you understand more of what I'm talking about. Okay, I've seen the arrangements now. Next, can we see our? Can we check the group now? Okay, I think it's still loading. Mr. Jamiu. Hello, Mr. Jamiu. Hello, are you there? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
We can hear you, sir.
Can you all see the picture one in the group?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what can you see? We have our what? We have our 50 inverter system. That two big battery at the top. Can you see it? Can you all see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, can you all
Yes,
see
sir.
the remaining your, how will I call it? Your all these your own boxes, your inverter supply output box. Can you see it there? Can you all see the different
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
different boxes? So those are the boxes I'm referring to here on this our drawing. Are you there? I hope I'm passing a message across with this.
Yes, sir.
With this drawing I've sent to us now.
Yes, sir.
So do we understand? Or any question?
Understand, sir.
So can you now tell me that you can take off for an inverter system with the little class we've done? I've sent the notes to Mr. Jamiu. I will try and send this thing to us tonight. The little measurement I did. Actually, the measurement is not like how will I call it? Is like a BOQ, but whatever you see on that BOQ is what you'll be seeing in your
Taking off list.
in your taking off list, nothing else. Any question, please? Mr. Jamiu, I've sent you this month taking off list. It's a big, but you see, I break it down to just say that all other accessories too, I break them down. So compare that taking off list with the drawing and with the write-up I sent to you. Any other question? I want us to finish electrical tomorrow. I supposed to take on final circuiting tonight, but I saw that people that came in were too small, and I can't be taking final circuiting, and people will not be dragging in that because in that final circuiting, we talking about your voltage rating, whereby you need to check some catalog, as in data sheet, based on it deals with some little calculations. So, any question with what we are doing tonight? Tomorrow we finish electrical. Why next week we now dive into, what do we call it? Dive into transportation. That transportation is just the class. On Sunday, we now dive into HVAC. I'll see how we can finish HVAC as early as possible. From upper next week, we will move to firefighting. And let's see how we can finish the class in the next 3 weeks, actually. So, any other question, please? Are we okay? Are we good? Are we
Yes, sir.
fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So,
for the
Mr. Jamiu,
system
I
that
have sent you all the documents, and I sent you all the other documents so you can work with it.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Sorry, my network was hanging before.
Are you there, sir? Anita?
Hello.